Hi friends, I'm Ashish from Vedalogic Academy. Let's try to understand what is the logic behind multiplying with 11 using Vedic method. So let's see what is the Vedic method first. So let's say I want to multiply 45 with 11. So the answer we are going to get is in 3 steps. The first one is that we are going to put 4 on the left hand side. We are going to use 45 together for the next part and we are going to add it. So 4 plus 5 becomes 9, and for the last part we are just going to use 5 and put it on the right hand part of the answer. So the answer becomes 495. So this is the way that we multiply any number with 11. Now let's try to understand how it's getting up and what is the logic behind it. So if you see here, we multiply 45 with 11 using the normal method. So what we are going to do is we are going to do 11 5s, this 11 5 is 55, and 5 becomes a carry number, right? Then the next number is 11 4s are 44. So when you say 11 4s are 44, we have to understand that the tens part will stay as is. Only we are going to add the ones part of 44, right? This part will get added to 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9 and we get answer as 495, and that's what we are doing actually here. So for the last part of the answer, it is the last part of last number. The first part is the first number, and in the middle we are just adding both of the numbers. That's how we have done here now as well. Same thing gets when applied to triple one, or we can say triple numbers. So let's say we have 234 and we are going to multiply with 11 again. So since the count of 1 is 2 here, so at max we are going to take only 2 numbers at a time. Okay, so I'll start with 4. Okay, the next time I'm going to take only 2 numbers, that is 4 plus 3. So that becomes 4 plus 3 as 7. Now since we have taken 2 and the max, that's the max we can take. So I'll move ahead, I'll leave 4 behind and I'll take 2 and 3. So when I take 2 and 3 and add them together, it becomes 2 plus 3, which is 5. Now I have taken 2 already, 2 and 3 together. I can't take 3 anymore, so I'll leave it behind. The last part is again same. I am going to take 2 and put it down here. So logic here remains same, that we are going to multiply with 11. 11 4s are 44. 4 is the carry, right? Then the next part is 11 3 33. 33 plus this 4 is 37. So I'll put 7 here. 3 is again carry. And 11 2s are 22. Plus 3 is 25, and that's what we have done here. So for each step, if you see, I have put 4 here, just the last part of the number. For the next part, I have added 4 plus 3, and that's what we did here. We added 33 plus 4, so it becomes 37 here, right? Then from 33, the tens part again gets carried over to the next number. Then for the last part, we multiplied 11 with 22, and when added to 3, it becomes 25, and that's how we got the answer. So this is applicable with 11, 111, like any numbers of 11 that you want to multiply any number with. So series of ones multiplication is what we have seen here now. If you want, we can take one more example of multiplying with triple one. So let's say we want to multiply 673 into 111. The way will remain same. So firstly I'll put 3, then I'll put 7 plus 3, which is 10. Now when I have got 10, I'll put 0 here and 1 is the carry. Now for the next part, because I have 3 ones, so maximum I can take is 3 numbers. So I'll take all of them together. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. And 16 plus 1, this is the one from carry, right? So 16 plus 1 becomes 17. Again 1 is carry. Now I have taken all 3 of them together. I'll have to leave behind 3 now. So now I'll do 6 plus 7. That's 6 plus 7 plus the carry part, that becomes 1. So this becomes 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 7 14. And 1 is again carry. Now for the last part, if you see, I have taken 7 already. I can't take it anymore. I have to use 6 only. And for this part, it becomes 6 plus 1. That becomes 7. So answer becomes 74703. Hope you understood the way and the logic behind it. For more videos like this, like and subscribe our channel, and see you next time. Bye.